Overlays within a stream are communications you can have directly with your users on top of your video screen. Let's click into the Overlay tab from our admin bar. Here you'll note a catalog view as well as a library view. Your catalog view will have what you can build, and your library view will reflect what you have already built. If you click the eye icon, you'll be presented a preview directly on top of your video screen. Clicking on the plus icon presents the option to create a new overlay. You can name it. You can have a message. You can select a theme. You can select a duration. You can even call to action. If you wanted to open up a particular panel, select Show Panel. Let's type click on a panel, and it will open up a panel. Go ahead and save your work. If you enter your library, you'll be able to access this, and here you can broadcast it.